But I forget. This food is sweet though.
That's right.
I'm telling you.
Very nice. But seriously, Mecca, you need to stop this your thing with these two ladies. You need to choose one. It's not nice. It's either you choose Kim or you choose the other one.
I got how to take do it. Not very well, it's not possible. This one got a good food here, which is Chakube. I enjoy eating her food, even though she's very smelling and all that. The other one is I'm not smelling. I mean, sometimes, you understand, she can be smelling sometimes, but the other one is very beautiful and intelligent. They only eat food.
Listen, what I'm just saying is that you need to find a way to manage this. Alright? If it's Chekube you want, you let her know you want her, or just tell her you're done with her, so she know her fate and let you be. And so they can focus on the other one. This thing is going to cause trouble, so stop leading these ladies on. I'm telling you.
How? Is it not possible for me to be enjoying Chegube's food while I am admiring Nkem's beauty and smartness?
Emeka, you can't. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You cannot eat your cake and have it.
But I understand, but I can't lose two of them. I can't lose two of them. You know, Chegube gives me food and bekos. Why the other one doesn't even send me? And I love her so much. Which is Nkem.
Why are you so vulgar? You don't know how to use words.
I'm sorry.
Gosh.
I'm
done, thank you.
It may take that remaining one day. I've already collected the first one. I've been even eating food. I'm still taking inside. Even as she smells it, cover her room with a pillow, cover her face. Can
you stop?
I'm just telling you.
No, but you need to stop right now, Emeka. Just stop. God.
That's the reason why I'm telling you that I can't afford to lose any of them. I'm telling you the truth. One is fine. The other one is very sweet. Chekube, very, very sweet. The other one.
It's by fire, I'm telling you.
And when you hear about fire, I'm telling you that I am the one operating all these things. Relax.
I'm sorry, ma. It's not your fault. Let me sit down here.
Mama, let me take you to your house.
My house is very far.
I can take you. I'm not complaining, ma. Okay, sit.
Help me.
Sit.
My wife.
Sorry.
Hey, my daughter.
Can I go?
Be careful about your friends. Those your friends, those people, you call their friends. You call them your friends. They are not your friends. Yes. They are not your friends. You can go. My house is very far. Let me relax my waist a bit. I can manage myself and go.
Okay, ma. Thank you very much, ma. I'm so sorry for pushing you. I did not mean to push you, yeah? I'm very sorry.
It's not your fault.
Sorry, let me rush back to my
go. It's well with you. May the gods of the land be with you.
I'm late. I'm going to write the scholarship. What is it?
You are late already. The competition is over. A girl from Omo already won.
It's over?
Yes. You should just be going home. Someone else already won.
Hell!
Why is your face like that? Why are you rushing to?
I just lost the scholarship competition. I could not make it on time.
Oh, that's good.
Someone, the truth is that you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that this scholarship and this university is not your thing. Or your thing. See, let me advise you as a friend. If you just get to the house, chop pure water, look for pure water, you start hawking it. Or better still, you can start with frying akara. Okay, you people don't have money. You don't have money to buy beans to fry akara. I'm just telling her the truth. Now pick a pure water so that you can have something to do. Start hawking around the village. This scholarship of 18 is not your calling. It's very obvious.
To me, Nkem?
What did I do? You didn't do anything.
Stop now. What's your problem?
I'm only being truthful here. See, Usonwa, I'm telling you the truth. Your dreams are too high. All the too much for your father to handle. Start hawking around. Look for something,
No.
No, what do you have? They are broke and poor now. You people are
no
wretched.
problem. Leave them. So, baby. What do you go call that? The one my sister. What do you go call that? So just go home and rest. Don't mind that. Oh?
Don't go home and rest. So don't fold your hands. Showing him a bed. Buy pure water, sell, so that you will not lose in both ways. You lose all university. You lose selling of pure water. You can be making money from there. My good friend, Also, baby.
Look at her face. I've lost it. I cannot go to university. No, you want to get it before.
Nah, I don't understand.
She's hungry, that girl. I don't blame her. No, she wants us to be.
Chukube, what is the meaning of this? Who owns those books you are carrying?
My own. I have a surprise for you. I decided to apply for this scholarship in the village.
You? Scholarship?
Yes, sir. If I do that scholarship now, become very, very smart, very educated, you will love me. Like Nkem, I will be very, very, very smart like Nkem. And even Osonwa. That time now, you will love me even more.
Chegube, becoming smart is not by changing clothes. It takes time and effort.
I am ready. Very, very, very ready. Ask me a question now, let me shock you.
Fine. I will ask you a question. What is capital of Nigeria?
Africa.
Ha! Africa is a continent, not capital. Ewu. I will ask you another one again. This one is very simple. Who is the president of America?
Nelson Mandela.
Yes. Grandpa was good idiot. Also Mandela. The Nelson Mandela. This book you are carrying. I will ask you the last one now. This one, even a madman will know this one. Chakube, 2 plus 2 is what?
2 plus 2. 22.
You see you. Remove this nonsense from your face. I think
But why are you shouting at me now? Is it not 22? Not 2 now. It's called 2 now, but is it not 22?
Hey!
Don't worry now. Is it not to Kwata can be doing? I just start today now. I will learn. Yeah? I will learn it 2 plus 2 again.
4, idiot!
Not 4, 22. 22.
And this book you are carrying, what is it for?
The exam. See, let me tell you. This one is advanced. Advanced
Scholarship into
condom. Condom.
The one here. So could be if I slap you.
Condom and French art of cooking. And the last one now.
Hey!
How to train dog. Nkata. This has nkata.
How to train dog?
Yes.
Do you even have a dog?
They will ask us in question hall. Eh?
They will ask us in question.
Yes, no. Don't know these people.
Chekube.
Chekube.
Listen to me. I want you to take this advice from me. It's very, very important. At this point in your life, I suggest, in fact, I want you to focus on your cooking skills. Okay, for take it back to whosoever that gave it to you. Focus on that your cooking skills. You will make it there.
So you like my food?
Away for all those your spaghetti, rice and stew.
Yes.
All those your phone. Just focus on cooking them. Focus on cooking them. Salad. Just focus on those areas.
So you like my food?
Come and live here now.
Don't worry. Thank you very much. Very nice. That means I will now name it Choku's Kitchen. Hey!
I have the scholarship now. What else should I do for Obi not to like me?
Nkem, see, if you will take my advice, I think you should just let Obinna go. It's obvious now, can't you see it? Obinna does not love you. You've showed all the love, all the affection, everything. You know they look your face. Just follow Emeka. You know Emeka that his friend. You know see as Nwoke dey. Follow Emeka. Emeka will better your life. You don't need somebody that you gonna show red lights. You gonna show you fake lights.
Emeka.
No,
Choma, are you kidding me?
Kidding, me kidding.
How do you think I will stoop so low for a man like Emeka while Obinna is still there? It's not happening.
You know you like to speak too much English. Which one is stoop so low? Who is stooping you low here? Nobody is stooping you any low. I'm only advising you as my friend. See, when you give a current to a man know they look and what thing you go do? If you pay your current, you carry your current and go to where person they appreciate you. See Emeka that love it, even where you match like this, the guy they jump. You no go look the guy. Now somebody when not even they see you at all. When not even know say you see, better leave that guy, yo. Leave him, face your front, you see road.
And you think Obinna will come for you? Ijoma, don't even make me laugh. Because you're so dumb that he can't even see you. You know, in a class, you didn't reach. Nonsense.
Nkemu, how many times did I call you now? This is 3 times. Nkem, see, and may we will. And see, I know they like nonsense. I can only take from my parents when they call me dumb, but not you. Now you correct me. Ibuchimu, why are you calling me dumb now? Am I dumb? If I'm dumb, it consign you. Why are you doing like this now? Supposing you gonna do like this. Why you do like this now? After everything I don't do for you. After everything, I help you. They do witchy to that girl. That's someone.
Hey, hold it there. Don't act like you're some genius here. After all, you are the same with someone. The both of you are failures. Nonsense.
You're calling me a failure?
No,
you're calling me a failure. You see you
Your Judas they carry us. I know that one. You can never you they change like chameleon. That's how you go they change color. No. You don't tag me same me and someone that now the same thing. But for me they support you since. No problem. You see you I don't blame you. Every time you be thinking that you're better than everybody. You're better than Jesus Christ, Abi. No problem. Be better than everybody.
I don't blame you. You're just so dumb. Common book, you know, Sabi. Nothing where you know. Rubbish. I am very intelligent and I am proud of it. There's nothing you can.
I thought we are together. I never know that I am alone. Yeah. I never believed that you, my friend, my sister, could lot all this on me. Yeah. I know no say, I know if it's crap.
Why are you like this? How did it go? Did you get the scholarship?
I did not get it, Mama. Someone else got it. I got to the event center very late. Before I could get there, they had given it to someone else.
Adam, do not worry. We all know you tried your best. Yes. There must be another way out. We must always find a way out.
Well, Papa, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon. Yeah, there's a letter for someone. I saw it at the gate.
Whoa.
For me?
Yes, for you.
Yes, you can wait,
What is that?
Ha! Mama? It says Ono has given me the scholarship.
Huh?
Hey! But I thought it was given to Nkem.
What's my name? He has my name on it.
Maybe Ono who realized that she didn't steal the money after all.
Yes.
They found out the truth and he decided to give the scholarship to the rightful owner.
Exactly.
That's what happened.
Hey!
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Jehovah over
Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you.
Hey! No!
My dear sister!
Oh, I have the scholarship. You have it, my daughter, you have it.
Oh.
You're always favored.
See, my daughter,
Father, I worship you.
the truth has a way of coming out.
Yes.
They have realized the truth. Now you can now go to the university as you always do.
Oh!
Papa,
I will keep praising you, Lord.
Ijeoma!
Papa. Papa, this one you're shouting, Ijeoma. I hope there is no problem. Me, I don't have sense for any wahala. Biko. I'm begging you.
Ijeoma, stand there.
Anytime you tell somebody stand there, that means there is problem. I'm here.
Ijeoma,
Papa.
what is your problem? Why are you hell-bent in disgracing this family? Ijeoma, tell me. Why did you and Nkem go and steal Onowo's money and planted it on Osonwa? Is it because of jealousy? You two conspired on that brilliant chap just to disgrace her. Talk to me, because every evil have repercussion. And anybody that does one must face the consequences. Talk to me now.
Papa, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. Even look this one. There is no bush here. I know what I'm talking. I don't know what you are talking. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Ha! It's really innocent. There is evidence, Ijeoma. Yes, so
There's no use of this your lie. There is evidence. The person that saw you and Nkem planting those dollars took a picture. Abukwa na mara now. No go.
Arrow.
Hey, Papa. Hey. Papa, beg. You know me now. I don't steal, oh. Is that girl, that big nyash Nkemu? You see that girl Nkemu? She's the one, oh. Mama, in that competition now, she told me that if I have to copy from her own, then I will have to moderate touch and stay for her to be sure that nobody's coming. It's only looking I look.
Will you shut up?
It's only look. I don't follow see the money, oh.
Hey, German, you think it's all about saying
sorry,
Papa, I beg you,
sorry,
or sorry, you? No. This time, you will definitely face the consequences of your actions.
Okay.
Yes, Ijoma, I will send you to Aba to go and stay with your auntie, Neka. That is the punishment for this. Because I want you to learn and know that every evil, any bad thing has consequences.
Ijoma, can you make it known? I raise you better than this, Ijoma. Why do you choose to be like this? Bringing problems in this house. Plotting evil on your fellow human being. Mama, I did not do anything bad. You did not do anything people bad. That is saying I should pass. I only want to copy. I'm not going to about that auntie that is not married at the age of 45. I will not go and stay. She will not tell me to punch him back. I will not be washing her pants and be washing everything. I will never go to about that wicked auntie. You don't know that anybody that has not married at the age of 45, the person who their body will be biting them. I'm not going. I'm staying here. Nobody is removing me. After all, it's the game that stole the money. Did I see? They should spend the money and no one can.
Ijoma, you won't believe this. Ijoma, you will not believe. Oh no, who denied me the scholarship, Ijoma? He denied me the scholarship.
But they've already given it to you now. Why did he take it away from you? Why?
I cannot tell, Ijoma. I cannot tell. After everything we did, after all our efforts, who collected the scholarship from me and gave it to that useless or someone?
Papa Mukuneze, do you know I am still confused? I have been asking myself, how did Onowu find out that we were the ones that stole the dollar and put it in someone's bag? Were you not careful?
I was very careful.
When you were tapping that money, you did not careful.
I did very careful. I don't know what happened. I don't know who snitched on us. I don't know. Hey. Probably maybe they snapped us and showed. Oh no, I don't know, Ijoma. I am confused. I don't know.
Your own is even small. What about me? My father has already made up his mind though. He's not going to train me in university. And he's not saying that I will go to Aba. So I will become a Aba boy. If I not go to Aba, I'll go and stay with that my auntie. You know that my auntie that I told you that is 45 years old?
Yes.
That is not married. Hey! My papa said that I go stay with that my auntie. So that she go, they send me message, sending up and down. Coach Rose is a bomb. I think one again anyway. I told him that I am not going anywhere. Guru go, come here, Guru go. He must go. I told him that. But you see, you see that to someone, we have to deal with that girl. We need to do something because this girl has become a thorn in our flesh. What kind of rubbish is this now?
Ijoma, we need to deal with someone. We need to show her what it looks like to feel pain. She has had enough of it, Ijoma.
Nkem, calm down. Relax your mind. You know you don't know your friend very well. You don't know why they call me EJ Ons. Baby that one. Calm down, bad. I will show that to someone why they call me Ijoma. Hey! TV on Nene. I will deal with her. You don't know me. I used to keep people quiet and be doing holy or what because I want to be copying. But now, I will tell her that I will teach her a lesson. I will teach her.
Obinna, how did you manage to get information from those kids about Ijoma and him?
Oh, I promised the kids money and they got information from me. You know, kids are easy to manipulate, especially when it has to do with money.
Man, you really passed through a lot. She's slapping you and all that.
You know, that slap was what got me thinking. Someone is not that kind of girl. She doesn't behave like that. You know? I started putting one and two together. Then I heard about the dollar. And it all clicked. I knew those girls had a hand in it. You know? It's very simple.
My brother, you are indeed a good man for passing through all that. And you still stick to her. My brother, I never believed that girl called Nkem would behave like that.
Nkem and Ijoma did that right. Okay? I couldn't let them go free. You know, I didn't want them to go away with what they did. I had to do something and I'm glad I did.
Someone is very lucky to have you. I just pray that she realized that one day.
I hope so. I hope so too. I hope so. So it's fun. We'll do it. Yeah. I hope so, man.
Dikeh. IJ, how are you two? Something wrong?
Osonwa.
Huh?
Are you our friend?
Yes.
Osonwa. Are you sure you are our friend?
Why are you asking me that now? I'm your friend now. We've been friends for so long.
Tell me, is there something you're hiding away from us?
Moi.
Don't tell me Muwa. Don't give me that holier than thou attitude. Don't even try it. And I'm at church. No, if you look where them, am I smiling at you now? Tell me. Osonwa, you're hiding something away from us, right?
What am I hiding? I'm not hiding anything from
you. Tell me, how did you get the scholarship? How on earth did you get the scholarship? What exactly did you do?
It was
to get it.
It was mine originally before they gave it to Nkem. They only had to give it back to me because it belongs to me.
I said let Satan and God punish you.
Why?
Someone.
What did I
You're
do?
very stupid or someone. You're a useless and a senseless friend or someone. But let me remind you, my name is Nkem. And anything I want to someone, I will get it in this village. And if you stand on my way with someone, I will crush you. I will crush you. I will deal with you. Okay?
What wrong did I do?
You're
What's going on here?
What is
Leave me alone! Please stop this nonsense. Stop!
Obinna, respect yourself. Women are talking. You're not needed here. So, get out.
If you ever try this again, I swear to God you have me to contend with.
Oh, really?
I will deal with you someone. Someone, don't worry.
Okay.
It's a chance for go. Now we deal with you. Promise. In this village, you go for me.
Someone, let me now tell you. Let me make it clear to you. You don't know me. See, it's Iga Kanati Babuaja. And Nga Dogi Jaja. And Dochagi Jaja. Igama. You will know why they call me Joma. Nga Wagina at my church. No, I am not a happy soul. I will show you. Usoma! But I can hear from me. You will hear from me. I must break this girl up. If you got her, almost scholarship.
No, don't worry. Don't
Wait. Don't worry.
My gallon.
Don't worry about it.
No, she can't take it. My father will kill me. My father is going to kill me. Ijoma, bring it back.
Have it, okay? Don't worry.
No, I need it. Please call her to bring it back. Ijoma.
So what are we going to do now that the gallon is destroyed? That gallon is the only gallon that we have that we use to fetch water now. I don't know where we are going. Nah.
You don't have to worry yourself. I got you a new gallon. Mama?
What? Hey. Oh. Nah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
For someone, I don't deserve what this people did to you.
Yes.
So sorry.
Obina, thank you so much. Thank you for the gallon. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Hey, we have a new gallon, Mama. Thank you so much.
Which people? Huh? What did they do to you? Which people did that? Did they attack you? Were you attacked? Did they beat you? Okay.
You know, I didn't know that Ijoma and Ikem were so jealous of me. Look at what they have done to me.
You need to stay away from them. They're not your friends. They're only trying to ruin you. About yesterday.
I'm so sorry, Obina. I didn't mean to do it. I was misled by them. I'm so sorry. Just please forgive me. I didn't mean to slap you.
It's alright. It's alright. The good thing is you know the truth now. Okay? Hmm?
Does that mean you are forgiving me?
Does that mean you're my girlfriend now?
Your friend?
Not just friends. I mean, like lovers.
Every word you speak is like a song. A girl, I've been waiting for you all along. I don't know what to say, but I'll try it on my way to show you how I feel. You are the only one I want. I don't know what to say. I'll try it on my way to show you how I feel. You are the only one I want. Oh, baby,
I want you to tell me the truth. Did you frame Usongwa for theft? Stand here and tell me the truth.
Make I leave my way now. I don't have this time for all these your useless questions. I don't have the time. See me, Rupo.
Nkem, you are so heartless. Thank God we are never together.
Hey! Me and you together. You can never meet up the standards I want in a man. Never.
No, look at. This one, you are talking about standard. Nkem, if wickedness is the standard you want in a man, I am never your standard at all.
Because get out of my way.
You get out your own. You are also losing.
Leave my way.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on
I
you.
can never be with a man like you. You don't have any
Are you clean?
I don't want
Standard is a wickedness.
I know your pain.
Who is that? Are you inside my heart?
Come and leave this place. I know your pain.
See my point? You are very, very wicked.
You are very wicked. Come and leave this place.
Yes, come in. Come in. Young lady.
Oh no. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What brings you?
Oh no, please. I have come for you to give me the question paper. I want to write so that you will give me the scholarship, please. I really need it. It's very important.
That one is over. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
Yes.
Even my son has already chosen the students he wants to support.
No, I know that already. I'm only saying, as a child cries, the father will listen. Please, I am begging you as your child.
Look.
I really need this thing. I know you can do something for me.
Listen to me. Like I said before, there's nothing anyone can do about it. And stop wasting your time.
Hey.
Don't waste your time. Do not work.
Oh no. I can do a lot for you. I can clean this house very, very well.
It's not necessary.
Even this fridge that is scattered, I will clean. Even this frame, I will dust everywhere. Just tell me to go ahead. I will clean everywhere for you.
Listen to yourself. I don't need all these things. Eh? Please.
I am begging you. I am begging you in the name of God. I really need this scholarship.
I don't
Please,
like
I'm begging you.
Get up, get up.
I cannot. I'm begging you.
There's nothing anyone can do now. Please.
Okay. Oh no. I will go and fetch water for you. I will fetch water until you agree. And you accept today. You accept, oh. Oh no, please, I'm begging you.
Go.
Oh no.
I don't need water. I have water. Please.
I know you have water, but you don't have stream water. It's stream water.
I don't need stream water.
I am going to fetch stream water for you. You cannot say no. Oh no, you cannot say no.
What is wrong with children of these days? Stubbornness everywhere.
Fine man, Obimu. Hey, good to see you. Hey, Nenu kiss the sweat. Don't worry, let me clean.
What's the meaning of this?
Let me clean the sweat.
No, don't clean it for me. I've told you to stop all these things. You do stop it. All right, I'm not interested. Stop.
Obi, look at what you're saying. How can you say you're not interested? I'm a fine woman. See, let me tell you, I am going to get the scholarship. And I know if I get the scholarship now, you will love me where.
Do you think I love with someone because of her intelligence or because she has a scholarship? Is that what you think? I told him came the same thing. It's not about that. All right? It's not.
See, Obina. I'm going to make money. I will become a big woman, even better than Nkem. What's her name? Osonwa. They don't reach me anywhere. I just they take and small.
Ijoma, I don't care. Those are none of my business. All right? No matter how hard you try, I'm not going to fall for you. It's better you know this and know the truth.
Obinna zukwenike kekpere ekpe isi gị rụọ ọrụ zukwanike Obinna n'enu nwoke nunu elekwenu nwunye gị nunu obi mu. Hey,
Can you stop? Machine, have you sit down now?
Hey.
Huh? No.
Sorry, should I help you? Wait, what did I just see? Fish. Wait, I hope Obinna did not go to the sacred river to go and take fish. Hey! Ojukwalese, if he went there to take this fish, hey! His own is finished. But I need to be sure. I need to make this sure. Let me go and look.
Hey.
Obinna.
Utom, how you doing?
You sent for me.
Yes. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A fish?
Yes.
Obinna, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's really big.
Yes, you know, after all you've been through, I thought it's necessary you enjoy yourself a little. At least you go and make fresh fish pepper soup.
Sure, fresh fish. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I have good news for you too.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you guess?
I'm not good with guesses.
Okay, so I I got admission into the best school in our state.
What?
Yes.
Wow, that's huge. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
I can't wait to tell my parents.
Yeah, you should tell your parents.
Yeah.
And since Onoru's son is taking care of your school fees, I would like to help. Buy your school materials for you, everything.
Wait. Where do you plan to get that kind of money?
Don't worry about that. I would find a way. At least my bike is the hottest in town. I'm going to hustle with this and make sure I get everything you need.
Thank you so much, Obina. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and tell your
my parents. I need to run alone now.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Let me.
What of the fish?
Yes, let me bring it back for you. Hold on.
Should I help you with the bike?
No, don't worry. Fine. Yeah.
For me?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Obina.
You're
God
welcome.
bless you. I need to go alone now.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, yeah?
See you around.
Bye. See my fine wife.
Usonwa. Wait, Chekwero. Usonwa.
Yes?
Yeah, you went to the sacred river to go and carry fish.
Sacred river, ke?
Hey! You don't know it's a taboo? Imarana abomination.
No, Obina gave this to me.
Hey! Villagers, Otango, you're here. See me, see trouble. This stupid girl has gone to carry fish. Look at it from the river.
Obina gave this to me. Obina, my friend, gave me this.
Obina gave it to you. Hey! I'm telling you.
Obina gave it to me. Why should I lie to you?
Obina gave it to you. And you're the one carrying it. How did Obina give it to you? I am seeing you carrying it. From the second river, you are looking at her.
I said Obina gave it to me. Obina gave this fish to me.
Come back.
Yeah, Obina gave this to me.
Who's Obina? You can't deceive us.
She cannot deceive you.
Villagers, I said Obina gave it to me. Obina gave it to me. You can call Obina and ask him.
Obina.
Come and bring this fish and get out of here. You're going to the village there. Carry her the fish. Move it.
My friend.
I saw you. What are you saying?
Obina gave it to me.
Obina gave what to you?
Obina gave it to me.
Obina gave it. Look at her. Obina gave you the fish. Obina gave you the. You never see anything. If you will get God, you will see. I saw it with my 2 eyes. Who you by using our fish to do loving? You will see today.
That's how I see it. But that's what it is.
Yeah, and so it's okay. And now look at the weather. The weather is dropping gradually. Our daughter is not yet back.
Yeah.
What could be keeping her? She was excited when she was going to get her results.
Don't worry yourself. Someone will soon be here. You know what the village is like. The villagers, somebody must have stopped her to say 1 or 2 things. Or maybe it's that boy that I started seeing her with.
You mean Obina?
Obina.
It's okay, well, let it be. This is the first time I'm seeing her with a boy.
That is it now. You just reminded me of old good days. I'll get it.
I get you.
What is it? What is it?
You need to come with me quickly.
For what?
Usowa has been arrested.
What?
What happened?
What did she do?
They say she fished from the sacred river.
Hi! Not my daughter.
The villagers accused her for defiling it.
My daughter cannot do this. Not Usonwa. Usonwa cannot do this.
What is happening?
You need to come with me because they are taking her to the village square.
This is not the time to start talking. Now let us go.
Okay.
Let us go.
Let's go.
This is getting...
Obina, where did you get that fish from?
Oh no, I bought it from the market. I didn't get it from any river.
Yes.
Oh no, Obinna Babashi, Obinna Ini Edo. You can lie for Africa. See, if you touch me, I'll slap you. How? Oh no, he's lying. I saw him with my 2 koro eyes. You cannot deny it.
You saw me on the bike.
It's all right. Do you have any proof? Or better still, did some other person see them?
Oh no, which one is this? Somebody so I brought them mad. I am not enough to see people, some these people. I swear, oh no, we see my leg is on the ground.
And they are coming towards the river.
I am not lying. I saw Obinna with the fish in water. I did as if I did not see him. So that he will go. Next thing, and I saw both of them doing with our fish. Okay, now, to bust your bubble. Oh no, if you think I'm lying, come and smell Obinna's body. See it. His body is smelling our river. Oh, Obinna knows someone they are using our fish to do love.
It's all right.
Stupid living things.
Be that as it may, we cannot condemn someone to death without a solid proof. The evidence is circumstantial, but we cannot release them without them being tested. Yes, we are going to test them.
Oh no, please, this is unjust. Obinna and someone are good people. Don't do this to them.
Stupid thing, we never chop food. You're here talking.
I should fight like this.
It's all right. They will take them to the evil forest where they will spend the night. And if they want to wake up in morning or hot, then they will be good to go. Apart from that, there's no other thing we can do.
Mama, you need to say the truth. If you have any decency left in you, come out clean and tell the whole community that these children are innocent. It is not late. Huh? You can still do it.
Yeah, Mama and someone. Calm down. Eh? We will know the truth tomorrow. I don't feel about speed. By tomorrow, we will know if Obinna and someone are really innocent. Calm down now. Here.
I've heard you. I will calm down. But I know why I am saying this. I know why I am lamenting. If these children happen to be innocent, your daughter here, Ichoma, will bear the consequences.
God forbid bad thing.
God forbid, though. God did not forbid when she accused them.
Yeah.
So, I am going. But before I leave, Ichoma, I don't want to see you an inch close to Usonwa, my daughter.
Hey.
Be warned.
You can have no rule like that.
Chupu Ichoma da la kola mama. O we kill la.
But I hope this is not one of these your useless tricks.
Papa, I know what I saw. I saw Obinna with the fish, with this my eye, with my kolo eye. I saw him.
Ijeoma, step forward.
Ha!
Onana hiaro or hiawaro. Mama Ijoma, listen to what I want to say now. And listen attentively. Mirinsi. Ebarugo. Ishizone benine. But let me ask you for the final time. Are you sure of what you are saying? Ijoma, are you sure of what you're saying? Because if by tomorrow we discover that you are lying, Ijoma, I, Mwabunai, will be the first person to cast stone on you.
Papa, you think I'm surprised? I am not surprised. Imagine what you're saying. No, imagine what you're saying to your own daughter, your own child. Sometimes I wonder if you're really my father. How can you open your mouth and say, by mistake, if they find out that I am not innocent, I am lying, that you will push me in and cast the first stone?
Will you be quiet?
How can you even think of like that? Why will you be thinking like that, Papa? Why?
I have to think like that because you don't behave like a human being. Ijoma, every day comes with a different story. Every day you wake up to continually causing this family heartache. Ijoma, what type of a daughter are you? Listen and listen good. I promise you, and read my lips, if by tomorrow you are found culpable, I will make sure that you face the consequences of your action.
Okay.
The free funwa.
Okay.
Useless daughter.
But tomorrow it's okay.
Mama Joma. Look at you.
This girl alone now. Let tomorrow come.
Did I even say your father? I am the man you are living with. Woman, talk to your daughter. Woman, talk to your daughter. Mama Ijoma, talk to your daughter.
Hey, Mama Ijoma, are you sure this man is my father? I am asking you because I don't understand. What kind of a man is this?
How can you be talking like this in front of your father?
Hey, no, Mba, man talk like this. Mama, what are you even saying? How can my own father be suspecting me, telling me that if I am found guilty, he will give me in? I don't blame him. I don't. He begin a no better husband. You're here marrying this fulefu, speaking English like he cannot even speak. Someone that did not go to school. He's there telling me, I'm not my uncle. It's in Pataka. When he's the person that I resemble. Papa, it's in Pataka. Wherever that it's in Pataka, equals to it's in Bonibo. Papa will have his talk with me. You say this, my village people, now. Everybody will have it hot.
Ijoma, wait now. Wait for me. I'm calling you.
Eat. See, Enkem, please. I don't know why you're following me up and down. Ibijiji. Why are you following me like that now? I am not in the mood to talk. Biko, my father is getting on my last nerve, and he will not like it when I change it for him. He change your man like here.
Calm down now. I know you're angry, but this is not why I'm here. Sorry about that. Maniwe Wenage, I want to confirm something from you. That thing you said you saw about Obin Nando Sonwa. Aija, are you really sure about this thing, or in a make here up? Just tell me I'm your friend.
Hey, are you serious? I thought you're my friend, Alan Obim. The only person that will know if I do anyhow or change step. So even you don't believe me. Nkemu, you don't believe me. So, like, as big as I am now, I will already come now with all this my breast. I will come and be lying. Or I am deaf or blind or what? I don't know what I saw. Is that what you're saying? So what are you trying to say? See, Nkem, I don't like this kind of thing. Adima like here. It means that you're a pretender kind of friendship. Yes, I don't like that kind of thing. I know what I saw. I saw Obina with the fish. He cannot deny it. He cannot deny it. He should come and deny it. Let me see.
IJC, it's not like I don't trust you. Mwa trust Rogi. You're my friend now. How will you be saying something like this? It's just that me, I'm scared. You know that if this thing turns out that it's not true, you will be in trouble and I will call you be in trouble. That's why I said, let me come and ask you. Obgodin or Burez, you could just confide in me.
Nkem, I like the way you're looking at me. Imiya fambo, abomo, ikukama noya. Adema tojo. Adema told. Adema timo na kwaka. Yes, I am not scared. I know exactly what I saw. I saw it. Even the Ajani of our great land know that I'm saying the truth. I am not scared of them. Yes, they should come and face me. Oh, I know what I saw, and I will keep saying it. Nobody can stop me. What bish? Ha!
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I've accepted. It's just that I'm scared. Nkem, you don't understand. This is a very big problem.
Please, Nkem, day your day. Make I day my day. I know what I saw. I don't like friendship that is like this. So your own friendship now, with you friendship. You don't even trust your friend. You're here talking rubbish.
I'm just trying to be friendly here,
Oh, get it, baby. Oh, my daughter, all alone in the evil forest. No, I cannot sit down here and watch my daughter face this thing all alone. I have to go there.
No, Mama, no. Mama, no, you can't go to the evil forest. If you go there, the villagers will think you're trying to help them. And they will stone you too. Please.
Let them stone me. They should stone me. I don't mind. It is my own daughter we are talking about, Usongwa. I have to help her out. I have to do something. Let me go there and die in a place.
No, Mama, no. God forbid.
I have to. Let me die in a place. My daughter is innocent. Let me die in a place. Chibutu, do not hold me back. Allow me.
Mama, you will not die, please. Mama, please. Mama, we can't do anything. We just have to stay here. Mama, please. Mama, if we do anything, they will think we are part of the trial. And we will be punished, Mama. Please, we just have to sit and hope they return. Please, Mama. Mama, please.
I cannot do this. I cannot take it. I cannot take it. How can I stay when my daughter is all alone there? Who knows what she's passing through over there?
No.
Allow me.
No, Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. No, Mama, please. No. We're talking about the evil forest here, please. Mama, all we can just do is to sit here and hope they return. Obina and Usonwa will return safely. Mama, please.
No water, no food. Who knows how she's doing there? Who knows what she's passing through?
Mama.
Oh, Adamu. Who's somewhere? Oh, no.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, please.
I know if it's crap, waiting you won't use me to. I know, no say, my very good friend could do all this to me. I know, no say, I know if it's grabble, waiting you won't use me to. I know say, Baba God, you'll never leave my side. Is anymore, is anymore. Is anymore. Ezi enimo, wakwake kamna bo. Ezi enimo, wanomi emereki. Ezi enimo, wanome besiri mejogi. You said you were happy, proud of my fight, but behind my back, you plotted against me. turning my hopes into ashes and dust, all because of envy.
Hey, they made it out of the forest, so hey!
I knew it.
You guys are welcome.
I knew it that these people are innocent.
You guys are fine. Hi, well.
Thank you guys for standing by us. We wouldn't have made it without you guys.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I know say I don't fit grab waiting you want use me to. Baba God, you're by my side.
Chibudu!
Mama! Baba, wait. Let me go. Let me go.
Someone, stop, please. Someone.
Baba! Baba! No, I didn't do it. Who did this to them? Who did this to me? I mean, I know. It's over. It's over for me. My only hope. I promise you. My only hope. No. Abina, wait, help! Abina, help! Hey, help! Abina, hey, no, help! Abina, breathe, just breathe. Abina, wake up, please, wake up! Somebody help me! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Help! Somebody help me! Help me, please! Somebody help me! Open your eyes! Open! Help! Somebody help!
Miss, how is he? The young man you brought here needs urgent blood transmission. Unfortunately, our blood bank is low.
Hey, you can give him my blood. I don't mind. I have blood to give him. Just do anything to save him, please.
You have to test your own blood to see if it matches.
There is no time.
If it matches, fine, proceed.
There's no time. Please, you have to save him. Please. Don't let him die. I beg you. He's all I have right now. You have to save him. I beg you in the name of God.
Listen to me. This young man's blood type is B+.
B+? Yes, I have B+. Mine is B+. I have B+. I have B. Just give him, please. Give him.
I know you're trying to save this young guy. Just hold on. Calm down.
I have B+. I checked last week in school. It's B+. Give him my blood. I don't mind.
Fine. You know what to do. Just give me time. We'll come here.
There's no time now.
I will meet you up.
Can I see him at least? Can I see him?
Please. Come, please. Meet you up. Thank you.
Obina. Hey, please hurry up. We don't have time. Hey.
Wow. This is good. I must say this is good. From what I have seen, I mean, your equipments are of very good standard. I really like them.
Wow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Mr. Daniel, I've heard so many good things about you and your work. Oh. In fact, you are the #1 surgery in Nigeria.
Oh, wow. Well, thanks for the praises, but I am certain I am still learning. I have so many good surgeons who are really professionals, and I am still learning from them.
I've not seen those ones. It's 0 I know for now.
Oh, wow. That's huge. Thanks. I appreciate that. But I heard your word round is by 10 o'clock.
Yes. Please, I want to thank you. Thank you for choosing this hospital. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
The pleasure is all mine.
You're welcome.
I'll still want you to show me around. I'd like to take a look at some of your works.
I really want to learn more things about you because I know you more than me. So this way, let's go. Let's go my way. I'll show you one.
Behind you.
Okay, follow me. Mr. Daniel, this is one of our critical care rooms.
Okay.
This young man was brought in here. He has a critical accident. And right now his condition is stable. But
Ben!
He's still unconscious.
Ben! Ben!
Do you know him?
This is my brother. Ben! He is supposed to be outside the country. How did my brother get here?
Well, a young lady brought him here who happened to donate her blood just to save his life. So I'm talking to you, she's another one trying to recover.
Hello, Mom? Yes, Mom, I've been trying to call Dad, but he's not taking his phone. He's in a meeting. Okay, Mommy, leave that. Ben is in Nigeria. Mom, it's okay, just calm down. As I speak to you, he's in a very critical condition. No, Mom, you need to relax. He's in a very critical condition, and I heard he was involved in a very critical accident, and he is here. Mom, you need to come. Let's take him out of this hospital. I want him closer to the house.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What is it? No! It's someone, my friend, oh no! I am just coming from the house, oh no! They are all dead!
What happened?
Oh, I don't know. I was passing and said, let me brunch and greet my friend or someone. Immediately I entered inside and saw all of them. They were all lying on the floor lifeless, so no, I don't know. I don't know.
How could this be?
No, I think maybe the deity is trying to punish them for collecting that fish from the sacred river. No, I don't know. I don't know.
The deity. Angry. Abomination. Sacrilege. So, that could be true. Could be true.
Oh no, it's not just that though. I heard that Obi now, someone's friend had an accident. And he might not survive it, oh no.
Hey, wait!
Oh, my friend.
It's alright. You can go now.
Okay, no.
You go.
Okay.
Every man go and tell the king.
Okay, no.
Oh, Mom, this is great. Thank you for coming this fast.
Thank you, sir.
I've been calling Dad, it's not taken. Mom, we need to transfer Ben from here to a better hospital in the city. Ben needs a specialized care and I want to make sure I do that myself. Mom, please.
You are right. You are right. He's my son. And I can spend whatever it will take to make him regain himself again.
Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you.
But the problem is, how do we bring this whole thing under wraps?
Under wraps? Mom, what do you mean under wraps?
You see, first he was disowned by your father. Now, an accident. This is not good for our company at all. I don't want anybody to know that Ben is involved in an accident when he gets out.
Mom, that is very true. And I'll try by any means possible to make sure it is kept sealed and confidential because I will not want anybody to hear that the son of George Alexander was involved in an accident, most especially in that kind of a remote place.
Mrs. Alexander, I understand your feelings. But we have to do it with the hospital management because they want to know the reason for the transfer, especially when it has to do with moving him immediately after the accident. My dear, please, do whatever you can do to help us in this situation, to see how we can move him, please. The truth remains that I don't want anybody within this room to know that he's involved in an accident, to know his condition. No problem. But please, do that. Do it secretly. Okay.
No, Sally, just do whatever you can, okay? I will see to it, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you.
I've been calling. He's not taking, so I really wanted him to be here too, but
you cannot even take my advice. You cannot even listen to his wife. What kind of a father is he? What kind of a man is he? Wait, so, Obinna's brother is a medical doctor. Hey! The mother too is a big woman. Me, Obinna, is a rich boy from a rich home. And he came to our village and before me, he's a poor boy driving Okada and be deceiving us. Hey! His name is not even Obinna. His name is Ben. I have to do something. This is an opportunity. Opportunity, they say, comes but once. Hey. Son, what happened to my son? What happened to him? And your mother is here. I'm here. I'm here, son.
Mom is waking up. Ben. See, mom is here.
I'm here.
Where is someone? I want to see her. Who are you? What am I doing here?
Ben, it's me, your mother. Your family, we are here to see you. Please. It's us, your family.
Your mother is here. I'm here.
Mother, you need to calm down. I think he's in a better state now. I'll just run some tests and I'll know what to do.
Can't you see? He did not recognize us.
Mommy, it's okay. I understand. Nurse, please, this name Usonwa that he calls, who is Usonwa?
I think it's the lady that brought him here. She's in another world trying to recover.
Okay, she's in this hospital.
Yes.
I'll need to see her. But before then, let me just run some tests and I'll pick it up from there. Mom, I'll be right back.
Please be fast about it. So, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine.
So, I would like to see this girl called Isonwa.
Yes. I would like to see her.
Okay, who are you? Good afternoon, ma. My name is Osonwa. I am the person that brought Sobim here. I was the person that saw him when he had the accident.
Oh, my daughter. Thank you very much. Thank you for saving my son. Thank you. Sorry, you had an injury?
It's where I donated blood for him.
Oh. Sorry. Sit. Sit. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. Stop crying. You'll be fine. How? Okay. Stop crying. You'll be fine. Okay?
I'm so worried about him. I can't see my own babe lying down like this. We love each other so much. And we've been through a lot together. Why is nature treating us like this? Why, oh babe, why?
Stop crying. It's okay. He'll be fine. As a matter of fact, we are making an arrangement to take him to the city. Yes, where he can take proper medication. Okay? By the grace of God, he'll be fine.
Oh my God. Okay. I know that will be better for him.
You'll be fine. So stop crying.
Oh babe, I don't want to see you like this.
It's okay.
Oh, the lovely time we spent together.
Stop crying, my daughter. You'll be fine. No. Oh, it's okay. You'll be fine. Sorry. Yes. If you want to see us, you can contact us through this complimentary card, okay?
Thank you. I'll call.
Mother, everything is set. The ambulance is outside. I'll take him to the city. Now, Celine, please, get him ready.
Oh, thank you. Nurse.
Nurse, how are you? Where is Sabina?
He has been transferred to another hospital by his family. I'm sure they wanted the best care for him.
Obina? Which family? I mean, he stays with his friend. He doesn't have a family in this town. Are you sure?
A guest doctor recognized him and informed his parents, so they came for him.
Obina. Family. Wait, so you mean they took him?
Yeah.
He didn't call me, he didn't ask of me. I mean, how do I get to him? I don't even have I have his phone.
No, this is not true.
No.
I'm just sorry. It was the parents' decision and they wanted to keep it privately.
You mean Obina is gone?
Yes.
Obina.
Calm down, please. You need to calm down.
Why is this happening to me?
Calm down, please.
My mom? My dad? Chibundu. And now Obinna. Why is this happening to me? What is going on here? Mama. Papa. Chibundu.
Osonwa. Osonwa. Someone come here. Osonwa, this tragedy has confirmed what we have always feared. The fish you took. Yes. That fish you took must have come from the sacred river. And the gods have shown their wrath by taking the lives of your family members.
Exactly.
The fish did not come from the sacred river, no. It was given to me by Obinna.
Oh, well, we have no choice. We have no choice. The gods must have spared you. Perhaps to live in solitude and feel the pains of the demise of your loved ones. Yes. Oh, well, the villagers are no longer comfortable with you living with them. They are no longer comfortable with your presence. Therefore, you are banished from this town.
Damn.
Take her away. Take her away. Take her away.
You don't even have anybody else out there to go.
Mama, leave me. Stop begging me. I don't like this thing you're begging me.
What is going on here?
Thank God you are here. Ijoma want to go. He want to leave us. Eh?
Ijoma, where do you think you're going?
I am going to better my life. That is exactly where I am going.
Hey, I'm Chai.
What I used to tell you people since? You people think I'm joking. I always tell you people that one day is one day. Monkey go market, you no go return. I told you that one day I will leave this village. And when I leave this village, that I'm not coming back. The day has come. I am living here for you and your husband.
Ijoma, shut up!
Ijoma, we are please. We can settle this. Bikon. You don't know anybody outside there. Please, I'm begging you. Just stay back. Oh?
Ina Ijoma. Arumelegu. Omelege ebo. Mbo. Ema hakupo. Ebo. Inwe hogugu isi. And it is bad for a living being like you to lack both knowledge and wisdom. Street out there. You need wisdom to survive. Ijoma, I know that you will not survive out there. Okay? You must come back. I mean, crawling back to beg me like others who thought they can escape. Go out there, but
Don't mind him.
be warned.
Don't mind him.
Because I will show you no pity when you come crawling back after you fail.
This. Stop this.
Koromia, I will go out there and I will become somebody in life. I will go there and become somebody in life. And when I become it, I will never come back here.
You can settle this, please. I don't want you to leave this.
Mama, please, stay in your husband's house now. You and your husband should enjoy now. I am going to hustle. I am going to become a better person in future. So allow me to go and make my money.
Leave her! Leave her! Idiot!
Ijoma, please come back.
Make sure you survive, because if you peradventure enter my house again, begging me, then
This girl don't know
very foolish girl. Why buy mono? Buy mono.
And you are supporting him.
You must tell me who the father of that idiot is.
You are supporting her to go.
Someone. You are welcome. Good afternoon. Hey. Mommy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my daughter. You are welcome. Hey. Mommy. I wasn't expecting you.
Mommy, I know you were not expecting me. Hey, how is Obim? How is he?
He's getting better.
Mommy, I've been having sleepless nights. Every night, this is how I've been praying. I pray in the morning. I pray in the afternoon. I pray at night. Kabashing for my Obim to recover. That's why I said, let me use that paper that you gave me so that I will come and see my Obim.
Stand up and sit. 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 Stand up. My clothes, they smell. No problem. Just sit.
Hey, thank you, Mommy.
So, how are your parents? Your parents?
Mommy, they are fine, no. They are even the people that push me. They say I should go and be with Obim. That how can I be here? Obim will be suffering. So they say I should greet you well.
That's so thoughtful of them. Thank you for helping my son. If not for you, what would I have done? But just lost my son. Thank you. God bless you. May God bless you.
It's okay. Oruchukwu kanaro. I don't have any other work. Every day is God's work I'm doing. That is why I say, just come, let me come here and just stay with my Obim so that we'll be kabashing. I can't wait for Obim to recover and be back on his feet because I know he's a good man. All the time we've spent, Mommy.
You are such a special lady. And I'm happy that you're here. At least you help my son to regain himself fully. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's okay, Mommy. It's okay.
I would like to take you to your room. And better still, if you want to stay in my son's room, no problem. At least it will help to facilitate the healing.
It's true. Mommy, is Yoko. If I stay in his room, it's better. Because, Mommy, you know we have to be praying. So that when I pray for him in the morning, I'll pray for him in the afternoon. I'll pray for him even in between, before night. So that Obim will recover fast. Yes. I can't wait. You have to pray where?
I will join my faith with your faith to make him heal fast.
Hallelujah.
And please, hope you don't shout because my husband doesn't like shouting.
Hey.
Let me call them to make you full. So I will take you, go and rest. Okay?
Who is there? Emeka, I bring you something very, very special.
Chakube, that is so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. But currently, I am seriously thinking just drop the food there and go. I will eat it later. A lot is running through my mind.
It's no problem now. I will keep the food here for you. so that you walk. But make sure you eat though. Special oha soup. Do you like ofoha?
Of course, I'll eat.
Let me give.
Just drop it there.
Remember to eat though. Yeah?
I will. You are the best.
Yeah, you are the best.
I sincerely appreciate your efforts so far.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
You know fit forever. If I did no kuna so man if I na so which kind wahala be this year? My God, make you live waiting day for scared to you. He get why that smoothie where you they chop. You know fit day forever. If I did no kuna so man if I na so
Oh my baby friend. You're holding on. I'm so glad to see you. So how are you feeling today?
Who are you?
What do you mean by who am I? Okay, well, I am Cassandra, your soon-to-be wife.
Who's Cassandra? Sorry, I don't know who you are.
This is not the Ben I fell in love with. What is going on? You have to calm down. Take it easy. As you can see, he's trying to regain his memory. Please, just give him some time, okay? What do you mean, wait? Wait for what exactly? For what he just said? As my supposed husband said, he doesn't even know me. And you're asking me to wait. Mommy, do you want anything? Hey, big auntie, you're welcome, ma. Oh, no. Oh, Bim, do you want anything? And who are you? Ma, my name is Osonwa. Oh, the help from the hospital? Yes. Hey, see, big auntie, there's another thing the doctor said that you don't know. He said that Obim's chance of regaining his memory is very slim. So I'm the only person that will help him to regain his memory. That is why I'm here. Mommy, Mommy was there. Obim, tell me, do you want something? Chuk. I see what you're doing. Yes. Olu Chuku, that is what I'm doing. God's work. I'm working in his vineyard. I see that you just want to make me give up on him so that you can have him all to yourself. God forbid. Me? How? Auntie, I don't know you before. I've never seen you before. I'm only here doing the God's work. I'm only his destiny helper. That is why I'm here, to destine him very well. I was even thinking you'd be thanking her for helping her. You know what? I'm not called out for this. I am leaving. As it is, your breast will fall out. You're very stupid. Small. Hey, that auntie get her well. Say, Robin, do you want something? Go and get fruits for him. Let him. Okay, I'm coming.
How much are you giving me for provision?
Listen, my love. There is this particular plant I want to show you in this bush. It's very, very rare. Let us go so that I can show you the plant.
Rare plant?
Yes.
A rare plant?
A rare plant.
So when did you become a botanist?
My love, I am just trying to expand my knowledge. Don't worry.
But Emeka, there is nothing here now.
Are you not seeing this one? Look at this one.
I've seen it.
Have you seen it?
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen
You're truly a scientist.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Emeka. See, Emeka, next time, just tell me when you're trying to avoid someone. We all noticed what happened.
Noted, my love. But I am not avoiding anybody in this village. I am not avoiding anybody. See, I love you and I can't avoid you.
Baby. What are you doing?
The only name I can remember since after the accident is someone. Your name. I can't remember anything else. Why is that?
That is because we have been through so much together, my love. Pain. Oh, or should I say, Obina. We are lovers. We love ourselves so much that our love can, turn a mountain. So you don't have to be surprised when my name is the only thing ringing bell in your head. My love.
I don't think I'm ready for this. I think I need some time to recover. I need some time to think.
It's alright. I understand how you're feeling. I understand everything. You can take all the time that you want. I will be here. I'll be by your side. I'm not leaving you. So, take all the time, but don't allow the time to take forever. I hope you're okay. Don't worry. Just relax, okay? I'll go fix you something to eat.
Okay.
Daddy.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. Daddy, I know you've been so worried about the company and the merger. I totally understand how you feel. But Dad, what if Ben, or should I say Obina, regains consciousness and finds out that he's being forced to do what he doesn't want? Daddy, don't you think that will make him go worse? It might even make him run away. Or better still, harm himself. Daddy, Obina confided in me. He told me that he would rather die than to live a life he doesn't want to live. Daddy, please.
He said that to you?
Yes, Daddy. He said those words to me while we're spending time in the village. Daddy, I know the company is so important to you. But you should know that Obina's life should matter more to you than every other thing. His happiness should mean a lot to you. Daddy, please, I am begging you in the name of God and everything that I serve, don't make a mistake that will make you lose your son. I plead with you to just let him do what makes him happy. I beg you, Dad.
Osonwa.
Yes, Daddy.
You are very correct. I've been so busy with business schedules. And then, as for the merger, I can't really recollect what actually transpired and can't stand the risk of losing my son again.
Daddy, thank you so much for listening to me.
I'm happy you understood where I'm coming from. But I'm making you a promise. I am here for Obinna. I will make sure he gets back on his feet. And he will make you so proud. Okay, Daddy? You just have to trust me.
As for the engagement, I will cancel the engagement with Cassandra. Obinna's and Ben's life is much more important to me than the business.
That is very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much, Daddy. Chukwu Gozegi.
You're welcome.
I will be in the room.
You're welcome.
All right, Daddy.
Please sit. We need to explain something to you. I will not sit. You've practically ruined my life. You betrayed me!
Cassandra, I know it is difficult, but I can't risk the life of my son who has no interest in a business deal or engagement that he has no interest in.
Oh, I see. All of this is happening because of her. Isn't it? This evil personified, Usongwa. Can't you see that this person sitting here is manipulative? She's manipulating you all. Can't you see? And you're just going to sit down there and watch her do that? Well, that's not me.
No. Don't lay your hands on her. No, you don't lay your hands on Usongwa. Please. Someone here is the only one that can make Ben regain his memory.